Are you wanting that hair bow? Here, look. Mommy will get that hair bow. Kitty, kitty. Look. Is that what you want? It's all wet. What is that? Is that your toy? You've got the floor wet. Are you going to clean it up? You're trying to clean it up, aren't you? Good kitty kitty. So good girl. Now what? Too wet to play with, huh? I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Mommy's gonna get it. Can I have it? Can I have it? Look here. That's your favorite toy. Huh? Uh-oh. Mommy dropped it in the water bowl. What? Where's your toy? Akasha, where's your toy? Get it. Get your toy. Get your toy. It's wet every time, huh? Trixie, are you wanting outside? Are you wanting outside? Just a minute, Mommy will put you outside. Get Cassia trying to get her toy. Cassia, get your ponytail holder. Get your toy. Can you get it, Cassia? Look, can you get it? Mommy will get it again. No, I'm going to get it for you. Ow! There. Yeah, look, toy. It's a toy. You like that? Bye-bye, Cassia. Play with your toy. I'm going to get it. I'm going to get it. I'm going to get your toy. I'm going to get it. I'm going to get your toy. I'm going to get it. Mommy's going to get it again. Can I get it? Can I get your toy? Let Mommy play with it. Mommy, play with it. Alright, I'm going to put the water back. Okay? Can I put the water back? Huh? Can I go put it back in the room? She drug it from next to the food bowl to out here with her teeth. She does think she's a dog.